Okay, so we're glowy as the skincare is down, as you guys can see. Hi guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So yesterday I did like this look. I did this makeup look with my products, and I did a manifestation video for my manifestation channel, and I'm getting a lot of emails like, oh my god, can you recreate that look and show us how you did it? So that's what I'm going to do in this video. We're going to gossip a little bit. I'm going to do my makeup. We're going to get ready with me.
Cause I got the channel's bitch, and I gotta make other videos, honey.
If you guys don't know my products, I have my own vegan, organic, cruelty-free makeup and skincare. My products are literally amazing, and just check it out, eyeshop.com. I basically take like a velour liquid lipstick a lot of times if I have to do a lot of videos and I want to make sure my eye makeup is going to stay put. I do have an eyeshadow palette, but sometimes I do this. Like yesterday I used Witch Kiss and I created this really cool, which I still have a little bit. I washed my face this morning and I still have a little bit of this redness like around the corner of my eyes. So I basically take my Velour liquid lipstick and use it as eyeshadow or eyeliner, and then I use it as blush and lipstick, obviously. And the cool thing is that it's vegan, it's organic, it's eye safe. You can put it inside your waterline. You can use it as blush, eyeshadow, and then lipstick, obviously, and it stays. This bitch will stay until you decide to remove it, okay? She's loyal as fuck. If you're here for the first time, my name is Ellie Arket. I'm the founder of Arket Cosmetics. If you want to figure out how to look gorgeous like me, I would suggest to try out my skincare products. 24 karat gold collagen, day serum, night serum, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, hydrating face cream, incredible soap, which is for face and body. I always say it like that. I have my own eyelashes. This is my soap, bitch. This is my soap. It's for face and body. 24 karat gold collagen. And then I have my own eyelash, because bitch, every time I buy those fake eyelashes from the store, it gives me a massive allergic reaction. So I came out with my own. They're vegan, it's cruelty free, not animal tested, it's silk, handmade. So I have to open a new bottle, bitch. Okay, let's do this. And I just have to say, I was really disappointed with Kendall Jenner, because I think Kendall is literally probably like the prettiest model we have right now. And her height and her face and her body, I know she's had it enhanced. I know they get injections in their butt, and I know they've had their face done. I know, but still, I think she's pretty. I think Kylie and Kendall looked really good. Maybe Kylie does this weird thing where she's like starts staring to the camera like this, and all you see is like the white of her eyes. It's really creepy. Kylie, like, it's really creepy. So I don't know who's telling you that looks good or sexy. I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but it's not looking good. Okay, just knock that shit out. I thought that they looked good. I did not like Kendall's outfit. I thought she looked ridiculous with her ass cheeks sticking out. It's like, you should set yourself apart from your other sisters, because that's all they had to show for years and years was their BBL and their ass injections and stuff. But it's like, you're prettier than them, you're a freaking model, you're tall as fuck. And it's like, I'm really disappointed that she looked like that. If I was Kim, I would not be photographing next to Kylie and Kendall. I'm sorry. I think that she's had her heyday. She looked weird with the pearls. It reminded me of the Playboy thing that she did with the pearls. It just, girl, just hang it up, man. You're a billionaire. Just go sit down. Just go sit down. I gotta wash my hands. Okay, so we're glowy as fuck. Skincare is down, as you guys can see. Skincare is a must, because makeup should enhance your beauty and not cover your beauty. So I highly suggest my day serum, my night serum, which I don't know where it is. My night serum is finished. I gotta open another bottle, and my soap. So you guys can get all of this as a bundle deal. 24 karat gold collagen 24 karat gold collagen soap for face and body. I always say it like that. 24 karat gold collagen day serum, night serum, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil. What does my products do? Gets rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots, gets rid of fine lines, tightens your skin, makes you look and you're gonna look glowy like this. So if you want to look glowy like this, bitch, then go get it. eyeshop.com. I'm gonna use this little contour stick. It's by Wet n Wild. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna use, I know you guys ask me. I have my own vegan brushes, but I'm sold out and they were expensive, so I haven't ordered them yet. But the minute I get them in, in stock, then I will let you guys know. And these brushes are amazing, but I'm sold out, so I'm sorry. I'm using it in front of you and you can't get it. I try not to use it in front of you guys because I know you guys are gonna get jealous as fuck. And they're gonna be like, girl, why are you showing us your vegan brushes and you're saying they're so amazing and then you can't sell them because you don't have any more? Well, bitch, they're expensive. So now if you guys want to pre-order it and shit like that, you can. So let me know. This is for contouring, this brush, this one, which is like really, really cool, the way it's angled and stuff, and I love it, and I use this all the time. Now, the way I do my contour is like I just kind of bring it into my cheeks a little bit, and then I just put a little bit under my chin, just for that snatch look. I don't want to wear that much makeup. I just want to enhance. I want to look glowy. I want to look pretty, and you know, I want to have that timeless, like witchy, iconic, sexy as fuck look. I'm going to use Witch Kiss to do eyeshadows. On the corner, I'll do like a different color in the middle. I'm going to use this for lips, and I'm not going to wear a lip liner, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my Velour liquid lipsticks without the lip liner. So Witch Kiss is basically the main bitch in the scene today, okay? She's the main bitch, and she's going to make it happen for us, and you guys are going to see how magical everything's going to look. I am going to use my eyeshadow palette, vegan, organic, and I'm going to go in with some of these colors here to just create a really, really soft shadow here. And then we're gonna do eyelashes and the whole shebang. Now I'm gonna go in with Witch Kiss. And we're going to put this on my brush. We're going to put it in the corner, okay? And I have no rhyme or reason the way that I do this. I just kind of do it. Now, I always like to do the cat eye look for me because the shape of my eyes is already looks like that. I have the almond shape cat eye look, and I look like a black cat bitch. If you haven't noticed, I do. Don't get jealous. So this is how I do it. I just basically like look straight into the mirror, and I just go as if I'm doing an eyeliner, but I just kind of extend it and I bring it down a little bit because I want to kind of get that editorial kind of like messy grungy look or something. Like I really, really love this look. My face is moist with my skincare products, so I haven't used powder, I haven't done anything because I want to keep it kind of moist for the stuff to stick to it, right? And then I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm just going to bring it up here, so kind of like do like a this, okay? And same here. So I just put my eyelashes down. Obviously I'm going to use my own blush and highlighter, bitch. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to use my blush brush that you guys don't own, bitch. If you didn't buy this when I was selling it, if you guys didn't buy this when I was selling it, then I don't know what to tell you. I always tell you guys, hey, if you like my products, sometimes it's just like a limited edition, so you better get it, bitch. So now I'm doing a little bit of blush. I might add the Witch Kiss to my cheeks too. That depends. It may be a little too much actually because the eyes are kind of intense. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna blush it. And I do my blush kind of weird. I mean, obviously you always want to like pull everything up so your face is pulled up, but I like to put everything kind of like across like that. Like look, it just kind of makes it kind of cute. It just kind of makes it cute. I don't know how to explain it. We're gonna go in, so you guys remember when you guys get my Velour liquid lipstick, you want to shake it really well. It's made from mineral oils. Now when you put this on, it goes on wet and then it dries down. When it dries down, it's not gonna come off, so you better know what the hell you're doing, okay? So this is Witch Kiss, and it settles down. It's going to get totally matte and it won't come off your goddamn face. So this is the look that I created yesterday for my video, for my manifestation, and everybody was like, oh my god, Ellie, can you show us how you did your makeup? This is the look I achieved with my lipstick, blush. Oh, I haven't put highlighter on. Hold on, bitch. So a lot of times I do my highlighters literally with just my fingers because I have control in regards to like how crazy I want it to be. Now I do bring it into my cheeks because I want to have that glow, and when you put it on your nose and you do this, it kind of lifts your nose up a little bit too, and then a little bit here, a little bit here, and then you can also do your eyebrows, like the arch of your eyebrow. It just makes everything amazing. The best blush and highlighter palette. This is gonna last you forever. There's so much products in here. Lipsticks, it's gonna last you forever. So this is the final look. How I create it, using my lipstick as eyeshadow situation. Now it's not perfect, but we don't want it to be perfect because we just want to make everything like editorial, like we're that bitch. okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was like a quick makeup gossip. My suggestion from now on, Kim Kardashian should not be photographed next to Kylie and Kendall. Bitch, sit down. Bitch, sit down already, okay? Leave your thoughts down below. If you guys want to purchase my products, starting with the skincare, makeup, EYESHAODW.com. You guys want to come to me for coaching or readings so I can set your life straight and fix your dumb lives, EYESHAODW.com, okay? Other than that, I got shit to do and I'm busy as fuck, so bye, bitch.